Hey, economics class. Hope you guys are doing well. Just here with George Honshu, just hanging out, prepping for the week next week. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're staying healthy. Would really rather you guys be here in the classroom with me rather than just being by myself. Yeah, a lot of stuff going on in the world, and honestly, since we kind of started the economic stuff, um, it's very, very applicable. I think you'll find that a lot of things that you're seeing and reading in the world, not just with the virus and the health stuff, but also economically what's going on, is pretty easy to understand and see. And so we'll use a lot of real world stuff as we move forward. Yeah, we're working hard here trying to get things set up. Most stuff will be kind of coming through Canvas next week, but just wanted to say hi again. I know Danny replied back and was making fun of a couple things that how I was doing, so that was good for me to get heckled a little bit from Danny again. So miss you guys. Hope you're doing well, and if you get a chance, send me a note. Let me know how you're doing. Talk to you later. Bye.